Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix AMD Error 182, something went wrong. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and go to your search bar and type down software updates. Okay, and just click on check for updates right here. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and make sure that you install all available updates. Okay, just click on check for updates right here and wait for it to install them all. All right, and once everything is installed right here, do not restart your computer yet. Go ahead over to advanced options, click on it. Now go ahead and find optional updates, click, and in here install all available updates here as well, as most of our graphics drivers or any other peripherals drivers will be listed in here. So install them all, and once done, you can now then go ahead and freely restart your computer, and after that, check if it helps. If that still won't work, right click on your start menu, then click on device manager. Wait a bit. Now go to the left panel and click on display adapters. Right click on your AMD graphics card and just click on update driver. Now in here, go ahead and click on browse my computer for drivers, and then go ahead and click on let me pick. And then just basically find your AMD driver, click on it, and then just click on next. Now your screen will flicker, don't worry about it, it's normal. And just close this one, and after that, everything should work perfectly fine now. But that is it. That is how you fix AMD Error 182, something went wrong. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.